You're not aging because your body is breaking down. You're aging because your repair signal is shutting off. Most people think aging is random. You get weaker, you get slower, your skin thins, your hormones drop, your energy disappears. And they think the only solution is medication, creams, supplements, more sleep, pushing harder. But nobody tells you the truth. Aging isn't caused by time. Aging is caused by loss of communication inside your cells. See, when you were 20, your mitochondria, the energy factory in your body, produced abundant energy. Your hormones cycled perfectly. Your cells repaired damage overnight. Inflammation stayed low. Stem cells were active and responsive. That's why you could recover fast, wake energized, train harder, heal quickly, stay mentally sharp, maintain strong skin, hair and joints. But after age 40, your internal repair pathways slow down. The signals that tell your body to repair collagen, rebuild mitochondria, activate stem cells, clean cellular waste, lower inflammation, balance hormones become weaker. The problem isn't age. The problem is the loss of biochemical communication. And here's the good news. You can turn the signals back on. I have 3 secrets to share. Secret number 1. Aging accelerates when your mitochondria slow down. Rebuilding them slows aging. Your mitochondria are your body's natural batteries. When they weaken, fatigue rises, skin ages, recovery slows, inflammation increases, hormones weaken, metabolism crashes. But when they're rebuilt, energy rises, sleep improves, metabolism resets, skin firms, inflammation drops, and longevity genes activate. What rebuilds mitochondria? Minerals, omega-3 oils, vitamin C, B vitamins, amino acids, antioxidant pathways, copper peptide activation, stem cell signaling. This is how you rebuild from the inside out. Secret number 2. You're not stuck with bad genetics. Your environment controls your genes. Most people say, my family ages early. I have bad skin genes. Aging is unavoidable. But science shows genes are only 10-20% of aging. Your environment controls the other 80 to 90%. That means you control inflammation, mitochondrial energy, stem cell activation, collagen repair, hormone balance, detox pathways. You're never too old to repair. You're only under-supported internally. Secret number 3. The fastest way to slow aging is activating your body's natural repair switch. There is a natural molecule inside your body, active when you're young, dormant when you're older, that controls DNA repair, collagen rebuilding, mitochondrial biogenesis means rebuilding mitochondria, antioxidant production, inflammation reduction, and stem cell activation. When this molecule wakes up, age reversal begins, skin tightens, brain sharpens, sleep deepens, energy rises, body heals faster. This is how you stop aging from the inside, not with creams, pills, or forcing your body, but by reactivating the repair signal you were born with. If you want to slow aging, rebuild your energy, or activate your internal repair switch, book your free 30-minute consultation. The link is in the bio or description. I'll show you your personalized repair roadmap step by step.